Chase Home Lending Mortgage Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get mortgages wrong. They focus only on rates. But you won't believe what happens next when you dive into Chase Home Lending. Chase offers home loans, refinancing, and specialized mortgage products to fit a variety of financial situations. Their platform provides online applications, pre-qualification tools, and calculators to help buyers estimate monthly payments and affordability. The surprising truth about Chase Home Lending is the combination of convenience and flexibility. You can start your application online, track its progress, and communicate with loan officers digitally, making the process faster and more transparent. Most people get this wrong. They assume big banks are rigid. Chase offers multiple mortgage options, including fixed rate, adjustable rate, and government-backed loans, catering to first-time buyers, investors, and refinancers alike. The platform is best for home buyers seeking reliability, nationwide coverage, and access to professional guidance throughout the mortgage process. Their online tools make it easier to compare options and understand fees, rates, and terms. The surprising truth is that working with Chase can streamline mortgage applications, provide competitive rates, and give buyers confidence with personalized support every step of the way. Subscribe for more honest mortgage and banking reviews to help you make smarter financial decisions.